I won't ride with someone who won't bless America.
Get off the plane.
Bless America.
Let's go. Get off the plane. Stop.
The 24th of November, 2023, Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Florida. An intoxicated passenger was removed from a Spirit Airlines aircraft and arrested.
I kept saying on the radio, you didn't say that. I was already calling on the phone. She's in 15 Bravo right now. But she told me not to go to her. That's fine. Told the flight attendant she's going to take her down soon. On her way out.
Okay, so you guys just want her off?
Yeah. Oh, she's just walking to people.
Get me off.
You got your stuff?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and grab your stuff and let's go.
Yes, sir. This I won't ride with someone who won't bless America.
Come on. Here, ready. Go ahead.
Can you get your shoes before you leave, please? You don't want your shoes?
I won't ride. This is the last of me.
Okay, go. Let's go.
No. You won't
push me. Get off the plane.
bless America.
Let's go. Get off the plane. Stop. You hear me? Get off. Get up. Hey. Come on. Get up. Come on. Turn it over.
Just because I want them to bless America on Thanksgiving. Just American citizens.
There you go. Relax.
Bless America. I'm being handcuffed. Handcuffed. Because I'm blessing America. The United States of America on Thanksgiving. I'm being handcuffed.
All right, come on.
I'm being handcuffed.
Officer,
You guys,
is that your choice?
Oh, that's yours. That's her. Thank you. Come on. Let's go.
You guys push it very sure. I think that's a blood sugar. I never had more like my life. Oh my. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, just keep walking. Relax.
I had a margarita in the other shot. Somebody bought me.
Let's go. Calm down.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, just relax.
Thank you, sir.
Relax. You'll be okay.
What is that? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem.
Can you get a boarding pass?
Can you follow us out to the car?
I'm so sorry, sir. I just don't know what happened. Look, I even have my shoes. I'm not going to I don't know. Somebody bought me a shot of or a drink of margarita. Taquito shots. Who drinks taquito? Tito's? What is that? What is Tito's? What is Tito's, sir? What is Tito's?
Just relax.
Huh? I don't know what Tito's is. I never had it before. I was like, I thought it was
It's
wrong.
like working in a bar. You can't make this up. It's unbelievable.
I thought they were giving me rum. And then I looked it up.
I don't know. You had whatever you had a little bit too much.
Oh my God. Mama, I'm like, she's just have a margarita. Just a margarita or a wine. I don't know what the Tito's. Who's the Tito's? Who's Tito's? And I thought it was some guy trying to hit on me from across the street. You know. So I was like, okay. Let me just. from across the bar. I mean, I think I should. I think I should. And then it's just completely erasing. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, I don't know what I'm thinking. You know? Thank you. I'm sorry. I never had no Tito's. What is Tito's? I looked it up and it was like something with vodka. I don't know. I don't drink vodka. I drink tequila and rum and whiskey. I'm a whiskey girl. I don't know what. Tito's. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You've been like an angel to me. I'm not going to die. Thank you, sir. Did I get offended with you? Did I get offended with you?
Just wait here.
Did I get offended with you, sir?
Wait here because we had a female pat you down, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Teresa got a 10-15. Who's going to do the pat down?
Oh, I think,
Jesus.
Ebony has a 15.
Oh, Ebony, okay.
Oh, my God.
Isn't Teresa on the checkpoint? Or is it already closed?
Oh, Teresa's there?
Yeah.
No. I feel so much better. Oh, my God.
Oh, she's so she's in there. Oh. Don't go down. Stand up.
Oh.
Just relax.
Relax.
You gotta have a female pat you down, okay? And that'll sit you in the car and you can relax for a little bit, all right?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
All right, no problem.
I don't know what Tito's is. What is Tito's? It's like a vodka, I think. Oh my God, I'm gone. Oh. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
All right. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. There's a female officer's here.
I'm sorry, sir.
Thank you.
That's okay. It's all right.
No, it's not the right.
Hello, Teresa.
Because I should know my limits. I just had a little bit too much to drink. I'm sorry. That's the only thing. And maybe I smoked it before I left Baltimore, but yeah, I mean, I want to be honest. But that was before. That was 4 hours ago. 5 hours.
It's probably
ago.
the alcohol's what's causing this.
Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I apologize to law enforcement. I'm behaving like an idiot. I took some keto shots. I never had them before. I got them.
Spread your legs for me. She's good. Okay. You can take the rest. You can take the jury off. Okay.
Why am I being held? Why am I being held?
I'll take it.
Why am I being held? Officer? Officer, why am I being held? I need to let my attorney know. And he's on my ear. Why am I being held?
Do you have her,
Officer.
what's your, where are you flying to, sweetie?
Tegucigalpa, Honduras.
Huh?
Honduras.
She's going to Honduras.
I'd like to know, Officer Morejón. Why am I being held, sir?
That's it.
I know I've been rowdy. I know I've been. I haven't harassed anybody. I haven't caused the safety of anybody's harm. Have I?
You're being arrested for disorderly intoxication. So you got to take it down to the jail until the alcohol wears off, and then they'll release you and you can come back. Let's sit you down so you can relax.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, let me open
Thank
the
you,
door.
sir. For intoxication, right?
Yes.
Let him know. My mama knows.
Have a seat.
Put your butt in first.
Officers from the Broward County Sheriff's Office Aviation District responded to a flight crew complaint. The subject was charged with disorderly intoxication under Florida state law. Legal analysis. Florida Statute Section 856.011. Disorderly intoxication requires confirmed intoxication and public disturbance or endangerment on a public place or public conveyance. A commercial aircraft qualifies as a public conveyance under Florida law. The flight crew complaint to law enforcement constitutes direct evidence of a public disturbance. Florida Statute Section 901.15, Warrantless Arrest Authority. Officers may arrest without a warrant for a misdemeanor committed in their presence. Direct officer observation of intoxication is sufficient to invoke this authority independently. Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Probable cause standard, probable cause, requires a fair probability, not certainty, that an offense has been committed. Flight crew complaint plus direct observation of impairment established overwhelming probable cause. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Use of force standard. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. Non-compliance with repeated commands in a confined space justified the level of force used here. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, and Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980. Miranda applies only to custodial interrogation, express questioning, or its functional equivalent. Spontaneous and unsolicited admissions made without any questioning do not require Miranda warnings. Fifth Amendment, practical application in custody. The right against self-incrimination protects only those who invoke it. Voluntarily disclosing alcohol consumption and prior drug use to officers creates avoidable legal exposure. Chimmel v. California, 1969. Search incident to lawful arrest. A lawful arrest authorizes a full contemporaneous search of the arrested person. Obtaining a same-gender officer for the pat-down exceeded the legal minimum and reflects best practice compliance. Edwards v. Arizona, 1981. Right to counsel. Once a person in custody invokes the right to counsel, all questioning must cease immediately. This protection holds until counsel is present or the person voluntarily reinitiates communication. Florida Statute Section 901.17. Notice of arrest basis. Officers are legally required to inform an arrested person of the reason for their arrest. Providing this information is a legal obligation, it does not constitute interrogation under Edwards versus Arizona 49 United States Code Section 46318. Federal jurisdiction option. Federal law prohibits causing a disturbance on a commercial aircraft carrying up to 20 years imprisonment. Officers elected state misdemeanor prosecution. A legally sound and proportionate use of prosecutorial discretion. 14th Amendment. Equal Protection Clause. A. Racially motivated arrest. Violates the Constitution. The legal test requires affirmative evidence that race, not observed conduct, was the basis for the arrest. Florida Statute Section 948.01. Withhold of adjudication. A court may withhold a formal finding of guilt when the interests of justice require it. The outcome carries no formal conviction and leaves no criminal record for the charged offense. Lessons learned. Lesson 1. Remain silent. The Fifth Amendment is a shield that works only when raised. Never make spontaneous admissions during or after an arrest. No statement is without legal consequence. Lessons learned. Lesson 2. Invoke right to counsel immediately under Edwards v. Arizona. A clear invocation of counsel halts all questioning at once. Do not wait for formal charges. Invoke at the earliest point of custody. Lessons learned. Lesson 3. Proportionality principle in prosecution. Law enforcement retains broad discretion in selecting the applicable charge level. Matching charge severity to the actual conduct is a foundational principle of lawful and ethical prosecution.